Over the last decade, we accelerated India's energy independence. But we wanted to do more and revolutionize to a truly sustainable future. Motorcycles are big in India. They are a lifeline for millions. With India going electric, why should motorcycles be left behind? Yes, you are aware. You are ready to accept new technologies, but you have so many questions. Why are only scooters going electric? Why are EVs so slow? Why are EVs catching fire? Are they even designed for India? Why are they not tested enough? And what about the range? Where should I charge? We hear you. We hear you loud and clear. 75 weeks back, we started with a mission to build a product true to Indian values. Something that is a perfect balance of dreams, aspirations, and a hunger to grow. No clutch, no gears, no chains, no vibrations, and zero pollution. Doesn't matter how you ride or where you ride, from crowded streets to open highways, flyovers or mountains, from tight parking spots to water-clogged roads. OXO makes your everyday motorcycling easier. And guess what? Now you can go reverse too. Thanks to OXO's in-wheel high-torque motors, you are first off the line every time. Advanced lithium-ion batteries is key to OXO's lasting performance. Smart BMS and optimized cooling strategies keep high temperatures in check. The battery is OXO's heart. It delivers 150 plus kilometers range on every charge. And worry no more about the fire or the water. How about the brain? OXO's 32-bit ARM core controller is lightning fast. OXO is now connected to the internet. Hop neuron technology enables so many intelligent features, from turn-by-turn navigation to ride stats, or finding the nearest charger. Everything is now on your mobile. OXO is truly intelligent. Tested to run in every condition. OXO is designed to the highest standards of endurance and performance. With a large seat and a long base suspension, day-long riding is super comfortable for you and your family. OXO's combi braking system with regenerative braking will not only make you stop instantly, but will also recharge the battery. Charge it anywhere. Charge it everywhere. It just takes 3 hours to keep you running for 3 days. Unplug it and hop it. Just imagine the possibilities. With so many features and so much power, curate your own settings and listen to what that sounds like. And guess what? It just costs 25 paisa per kilometer to ride. This is the future. This is our answer to the next generation riding experience. This is how we change the game.